If you deleted files from the downloads folder and can't find them anywhere, this video is for you. Whether you emptied the recycle bin or pressed Shift plus Delete, I'll show you what you can do to recover them. Before we start, very important, if you just deleted the files, stop using that drive immediately. Do not download new files or install software on the same drive. This increases your chances of successful recovery. First, check the recycle bin. Open recycle bin on your desktop. Look for your deleted file. If you find it, right-click on it and click Restore. The file will go back to the downloads folder. If you don't see it there, move up to the next step. Now check the previous versions. Go to your downloads folder, right-click inside it and select Properties. Click on the Previous Versions tab. If File History or System Restore was enabled earlier, you may see an older version of the folder. Select it and click Restore. So that's how you can recover deleted files from the Downloads folder in Windows 10 and 11. Just remember, act quickly and avoid using the same drive after deletion. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and share it with someone who might need this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.